She wants to learn. She wants fun. She wants a break. She wants the style. And she wants her own path. Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson invites all women to come to the August 16th I Am Woman, Hear My Bike Roar garage party. It's part of the female-focused Ride the Curves initiative from Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson, where every woman is welcome to share all aspects of motorcycling. The $10 registration fee covers the event, lunch, and a Ride the Curves souvenir. You can RSVP on our Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson Facebook page. She wants to ride the curves. She wants the challenge. She wants the open road. To feel the wind, the freedom, the journey, the destination, the friends, the action, the passion, the excitement, because she wants to ride. Because she always wanted to ride. Do you ride? Do you want to ride? Do you want to ride again? Come to the Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson I Am Woman, Hear My Bike Roar garage party event. Women only. No pressure, no competition. Just friends, fun, and bikes. Saturday, August 16th at Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson in Dalton, Georgia. I-75, exit 333. You can see our sign from the road. It's time to ride the curves with Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson. Every woman is welcome.